Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to proofread the email for free with Cici AI. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So guys, the first step you need to do, of course, you need to install this Cici AI, and here I will access it from my Android phone. And if you want this application, then don't worry because you can also install it from the App Store if you are the user of the iOS phone. And right after the installation process is done, then you can simply open it and do the login first with your email.
Hey, nice to meet you. I'm Cici, your humorous, friendly, and helpful friend. You can ask me for answers, recommendations, advice, and anything on your mind.
So this will be the greeting that you will get whenever you open the Cici AI for the first time, or after you update it, or after being restarted. And since we would like to proofread our email, then we will go to the chatbot. Then you can access the chatbot by clicking to Stripe menu up there. And if you don't find any proofread chat, then don't worry because you can go to the discover, and I will click the search bot and click this email polishing. And after that we will choose this chatbot that will help us to proofread our email. Click it, and after that this is the field when we would like to start the conversation. But maybe unfortunately that this chatbot doesn't provide you the audio, but it is okay. You can keep starting off the conversation by choosing this one of the question recommendation or question that has been recommended or being provided by this chatbot. And since I would like to proofread my email, I might start to type help me to proofread my after interview email down here, and after that I will give the space and paste my email or my text, and I will enter it. And after that this email polishing chatbot will give you the text that has been revised, and you can also do your review. And if you're ready to send this, then you can copy it. And also if you would like to ask another email to proofread, then you can continue to paste your email or your text on this page or on this blank. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to try this. Bye bye.